Okay, so in our last video, we finished up here in the evidence management section. Okay, we're going to click on return to dashboard, hit our drop down menu, and our next section available to us is communications. So the communication log is something that in the feedback I've received over the past week seems to be something everybody wants. Okay, I had somebody reach out to me and their case went on for nearly 2 years. Okay, during that time they said they had screenshots, they had communications log, they had messages, they had all this kind of stuff on phones and devices that end up breaking. They lost the phone, they've updated something and the messages have gone missing, and they said it really held them back in their case. Whereas this keeps it all locked in. It keeps it all in one place. You can throw your phone out the window and we'll still have all our evidence here, all our communications logs once you've submitted them. Okay, so here we can see whatever the communication is. We can see the legal significance. Okay, the location, where it was, is there any witnesses, whatever it may be. Okay, again, we can filter through based on text message, based on email, whatever it may be. We have various different types. Is the communication a violation? Okay, if any of them are flagged, I don't think I've flagged any of these as violations. Again, these are just test ones that I've loaded. Okay, but nice and simply, we know what case we're working on. It has it up here. We select log communication, select what form of communication, let's say WhatsApp. It was received on this date at this time, very, very important. Who the sender was, who the recipient was, enter in the content of the message. Okay, the location, if applicable. Okay, any witnesses, if any. The legal significance. Okay, so why is this communication legally significant? Any court order, reference, whatever it may be. Is it a violation? Okay, have they been told not to contact you? Okay, is it a late pickup? They've said, okay, I can't drop the child off today, or I won't have the child support payments, or inappropriate contact, and denial of access, harassment, whatever it may be, or other, whatever you want. Okay, if it is a violation, is there follow up? Okay, so let's just submit some stuff here just to show it loading and that it works pretty much. So we've got all that. Okay, again, obviously I'm not filling stuff in. We're going to log our communication, and here we can see it's color coordinated, the legal significance, the violation, what kind of violation, and the follow up. Okay, so again, if we wanted, we can just say, okay, show me all the violations, and I'll put it all up. So that's nice and simple, easy to use. That is our communications log, and if we want, obviously we can delete that if we're done with it. So that's the communications log on Just In Case Pro.